Hello viewers, welcome back again with Sharif All English Practice course. Today I would like to discuss all about prepositions, definition of prepositions, kinds of prepositions, definitions of prepositions. Preposition indicates location, direction, time, etc. usually used in front of nouns or pronouns, and it shows the relationship between the noun or pronoun and other words of the sentence. Some prepositions examples: on, in, under, after, beside, to, towards, with, etc. are prepositions. The book is on the table. We sat under the red tree. He was looking at me. In this sentence, we can find out red color a preposition. Classification or types of preposition. Prepositions can be classified in different ways. These are discussed below. Simple preposition. The preposition used in a simple sentence is called simple prepositions. On, in, to, at, from, with, of, over, under. He was looking at me. I am going to the university. In the sentence, red color a preposition. Compound prepositions. The preposition used to join two nouns, pronouns, or phrases is called compound prepositions. Between, before, around, about, along, above. She was asking about this matter. The river is running across the town. In this sentence, about and across, example of compound preposition. Double preposition. When two prepositions come together to create a new word. Because of, from behind, within, out of, outside of. I have to do this work within today. He could not come to the meeting because of his illness. Within and because of double preposition. Preposition of time. The preposition indicating time in a space is called preposition of time. On, at, in, to, for, since, ago, before, till, until, by. This program will be held in January. Try to come on Monday. He started working at 9 p.m. In, on, at indicates time of preposition. Preposition of place. The preposition which is used to indicate where something is located is called preposition of place. Behind, under, on, in, at, between, over. The boy was standing behind the tree. She lives in New Market in Dhaka. Behind or in indicate place. Preposition of direction. The preposition used to indicate the direction of something or someone is called preposition of direction. In, on, under, over. The jeep is now going over the bridge. The bird is sitting on the rope. Over or on gives direction. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe, like, share the video in different social media.